guys, we're back in a volcano experiment. I don't really know what this is going to do, but it is going to erupt. Today we're going to be red paint. By the way, my name is Levi. And we're going to be needing red paint. We're going to be needing this little salt stuff, powder. And then we're going to need some water and 2 spoons. I know which one to mix with. This one. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and pour some paint inside. This is going to be awesome, guys. Okay. It's almost there, guys. There's red paint. This is awesome. Okay. Now, we're done with that. And now I'm going to be starting with this one, right? I'm going to be starting with this one. Okay, now we have to stir it and see if it's a real lava or fake. Whoa, look at this, guys. It is red lava. I'll scoop some up and see. Look at this. It's bubbling. Wait. Okay, now we're going to be needing to pour some of this inside here. Okay. Ooh, it's hard.
You can use that spoon.
Oh yeah, you said I'm sorry guys. We actually need a spoon to scoop it.
Put a little more.
Is it okay if I make a whole mess?
Absolutely. Okay.
Okay, that is a whole lot. So now we have to pour some of this water in. Wait, but I need to take the spoon out. Make sure no lava gets in. Okay, extra salt, and we're gonna put some on it, and now, when is it erupting? When is it gonna erupt?
That's what it's doing.
It's, what? Over here it's erupting, da-da-da, look! It's a dinosaur volcano, look, it's erupting! Put a little more, yeah, a little more. Yeah, we want it to, oh! Oh gosh! Oh, a lot of it! I just want, oh, that's fuzzy. Why is it so fuzzy? There's little fuzzy stuff. There's little tiny little fuzzy stuff. That's real water, but hey, I know when to say bye. Keep doing more erupt, okay? Like more erupt things. So guys, we are going to do a little more erupting to see if we can make it like all the way around where the whole entire plate is full or not. Okay guys? Here we go! Okay guys, we are doing it. We are doing it. Guys, okay, I need a little more salt because it's kind of watery, so we're going to be needing a little more of this. Okay, we're down here. Up here. Then we're going to say no. Like that much?
It's out of water now.
Yeah, now we need more water. But it's all fine, so, Mommy, you get ready to film as I hold the phone. So, today,
right there.
Like that.
Yep, right there.
So, this volcano right here is really awesome. We are gonna have this sugar, and I'm excited. I can't wait. My eyeballs are straight at you. I can't wait. We got a refill of water, guys. This is awesome. Red paint, and then we're all done. And then we have to do it again. And then we're gonna be singing a little song, right, Mom?
You're going to sing a song?
No, you are and me.
What song am I going to sing?
We have to put on the same song and we have to sing it. Okay, so I'm gonna sing a song and then my mommy is so I'm gonna sing a song, actually dance to a song, and then you are.
Okay. We've got some more water. Okay.
Yeah, it's red, so we're gonna be, oh, this is extra red, guys. Extra. Okay, now, oh. I know there's only this much. Oh, Okay, guys, it is going up the volcano. Let's try making it and see if it can go like sticking up. This be okay. I think I'm done. Mommy, come show them this. Look, it's a volcano invasion. This is the survivor's home. And it's about to get poured on by lava. Bye. Make sure you do thumbs up on this video because this is the best video I ever done because it's funny. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.